guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this thing. It's called a Hairdorables or Hairdorables, and it is going to be a doll. And there's 11 surprises inside, and there are 36 dolls to collect. 36, 11 things. And this is the back. Let's get this hair out of the way, there's too much of it. So open this plastic stuff off. There's this part off, and then you pull this out. And then these are what you can get. And it says to pull this, and then you open it. There's this little like stage, and then there are numbers, and then there's this, and it says stop, open me last. So let's see, behind door 1. So this little thing comes out, and you open it from the top corner, and inside is a brush. So cute, so tiny. And then some little stickers. And then behind number 2 is this You Go Curls, or You Go Curl. And inside is a cell phone. And then these little shoes. They're so tiny. In box 3. There's this little thing. And in here is a guitar and little braids rolls picture. Okay, number 4. I flipped this whole door off. Number 4 is a bigger one. It looks like this. And then this one is this cute little picture. And then this little hair accessory with a star on it. And then in this door, this is where it's at. So you open this, and there's this in here. Let's see what's in here. Let me set this down for a second. And then we peel this. And her name is Harmony. Her favorite color is midnight blue. Her claim to fame is making music. And her motto is sing it, girl. I can hold this little card. Okay. And then she has green and blue hair. And look how cute she is. She's so tiny and cute. Let's put on her shoes. Shoes are on. Look at how cute her little shoes are. And then we take, I don't know, this hair accessory. I'm just gonna whip it in. And she's got this pink streak. She's a rock star, don't you know? And then let's go around her waist. I think so. There's the other side. Like inside of her outfit. Okay. And then let's put her cute little hair thing in, because why not? So this is her final form with all her cute little stuff on. Look how cute, her little hair. I put her comb in, I don't know why, because it looks cute. Her little guitar, and her little shoes. Isn't she so cute? Now, let's see. She is just a normal one to get. There's signature look, rare and ultra rare. So there's only 2 rare, and then there's only 1 ultra rare to get out of these dolls. Yeah, she's so cute. I love her so much, and her green hair like me. We're twins, kind of. Hers is a lot lighter than mine, but she's super cute. I love her. She's so colorful, and her eyebrows are even colored. Look at those eyebrows. She's so colorful. So this was $12.99 from Target, and what's cool about it is it's velcroed, so it can go back together if you want to keep the box. Super exciting. But yeah, that is a Hairdorables, and she's adorable. And I love her, and she's so colorful. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have you ever bought a Hairdorables? And if so, which one did you get? Because they're really cute. And there's so many of them, and I just want them all. I want all 36 of the Hairdorables. Why not? They're just too cute not to have, right? Whoever made this was smart. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys like these videos and you want me to do more of them, I keep forgetting. I bought this for a bonus round. I've never ever seen this till the other day. I was like, what is this thing? And it's like a party thing. I need to do this with y'all because I bought it to do this as like a bonus thing. If I could open it, that'd be cool. Look at this. It's just like banana. I don't know if that's how they normally open, but alright, do not remove. So I don't remove this. Do not remove. So take this off of here. This comes with instructions of how to open it. So these are the instructions. So one is don't take off the top thing. Then it says pull here. That's what happened. Oh, the bottom came off. So there's this little checklist thing in here, and then there's like a little bag, and in this little bag is this tiny little white thing, this fruit bowl. I'm just gonna put that thing in there. Okay, so there are 25 that you can collect. Oh my gosh, there's a panda one. This is all the ones you can collect. Super cute. They're really cute, and this is $4.99 by the way. Okay. Did you see that? Holy crap, that scared me. So there's confetti that pops out of this. There's like a whole string of it. My cats are having a heyday over here. Okay. I'm confused. Is she up all the way? And then, oh, you turn her and she comes out of the springer. Holy crapes, that scared the crap out of me. She's so cute and tiny though. Look at her. Oh. Alright, let's put her back in her tube. Apparently you can't unspring it, so that's why you can't rip this off, because it pops it off. And then there's like little bears in here. And there's cute little hearts in here. And then there's little like string things. And they're just like all over my stuff. In all different colors. Oh my goodness. There's a snow globe. And this cute little deer. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love this. It's Christmas. I'm confused. I mean, these are all red and green too. Oh, no, I lied. They're red, green, blue, and pink. I have no clue. Oh. Look at this. There's like this cute little star with a vase. And this cute little panda tag. And this also came off. I can't wait to watch this back to see that explosion because I wasn't ready for it. That scared me actually. I was like, whoa. Oh, there's something else. Look how cute this one is. Clearly she's a Christmas theme, winter theme I guess, because all these cute little confettis, other than this little star, are just like all Christmassy. These are cute. I have to keep them. I'm gonna put them in the bottom part so that I can Cool. At least you can reattach that. Well, that was exciting and fun. I'm gonna have to buy more of these now. She's from the winter collection. It doesn't tell me if they're rare or not, so I guess you just get what you get. That's cool. And then there's like all these options. You can either get Cutie Animal Surprise, Rainbow Unicorn Surprise, or Winter Wonderland Surprise. Anyways, as I was saying before, I forgot about this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a thumbs up. Comment below if you guys would like me to do more videos like this. I really like unboxing, so if you want to see me unbox more stuff, I will unbox more stuff because I love unboxing stuff. And if you like unboxing stuff, we can unbox stuff together. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys!